I'm Chris Schneider, the Assistant Director for the Innovation Center, opening in August of 2026. Come inside and let me show you how to find your path. It's an exciting time here at the Innovation Center. In August, we'll be opening with 5 new programs: Advanced Power and Machinery, Aviation, Hospitality, Tourism and Culinary, Cybersecurity and AI, and Fire Management Services. Welcome to the Hospitality, Tourism and Culinary space. In this program, our students will be dual enrolled through Columbia State to earn credits through the university. The students will come in here, and the culinary students will learn the front of the house, the back of the house, how to work in a restaurant. Imagine this space filled with young chefs preparing a menu, creating grab-and-go items to fuel the kids. We're partnering with Harpeth Hotel and Halifax Properties, where students can also learn how to run a hotel and hotel management. We'll have a mock hotel room, and we'll have a mock hotel lobby where students can be inviting, help plan events, and find their path. In our Advanced Power and Machinery program, students will have the opportunity to dual enroll with Tennessee College of Applied Technology. In this program, students will have 3 hours a day where they'll come to this space and work on a certification. In 1 year, they'll walk out with either off-road diesel certification or electrical power generation. All of this is possible through our partners with Thomson Caterpillar. In our Cybersecurity and AI program, students will be earning a certificate in cybersecurity through Columbia State University. We're also working with 5 other universities to make sure that students have a very dynamic experience as they learn how to become the digital defenders. We're working with TCAT, Columbia State, Tennessee Tech, Middle Tennessee State University, and Belmont University. Do you want to learn how to fly? Come check out our Aviation program. Students in aviation will be able to dual enroll with Middle Tennessee State University's aerospace program. We're also partnering with Hawkins Flight Academy if you want to earn your private pilot's license. Come fly with us. In our Fire Management Service program, juniors and seniors can come learn what it takes to become a firefighter. They can earn their firefighter level 1. This program is a partnership between the City of Franklin, Franklin Fire Department, and Williamson County Schools. Thanks for coming and checking out the Innovation Center. We hope you found something that you're interested in. We'll be coming to your high schools the month of December, so look for your principal's notes to tell you when. Applications for the Innovation Center will open December 2nd and will close February 13th. We hope you will find something here that'll help you find your path.